Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your GMC Terrain. First, make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Then, on your mobile device, enable Bluetooth and ensure it is discoverable. Next, navigate to the phone menu on your Terrain's infotainment screen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, allowing your vehicle to find your device easily. Once in the phone menu, select the option to pair device or add phone. Your GMC Terrain system will then generate and display a 4-digit PIN. Simultaneously, your phone should show a similar prompt with the same PIN. It's important to confirm that these numbers match on both your phone and the vehicle's screen to ensure a secure connection. This step verifies you are connecting to the correct vehicle. After confirming the PIN, your phone's name should appear in the list of paired devices on your Terrain screen. The system might then ask if you wish to allow access to your phone book and call history. Granting this access enables full hands-free functionality. Congratulations, your device is now connected. You can now enjoy making and receiving calls safely through your vehicle's audio system. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the GMC Terrain's infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the vehicle to prevent conflicts. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.